Oh, for all you Perth Jeepers out there, I have a selection of old toolboxes. If no one wants to get them, they're going in the bin, taking up too much room. Hope I'm not shaking too much. So, any of you Jeepers in Perth, or I'm in the Armadale area, here's a selection. I don't think I can turn the screen around. That's one. An Unimig one. I've got a, goodness me, hard to look. And where are we? A Bosch toolbox. An old, I've had that for a long time. Could probably do a bit of a clean and a bit of lube. The hinges, but it works fine. And I've got this one. Now I've got my other toolboxes and stuff. I don't really have a need for them anymore. So if they're of no use to anyone, they're great if you're going on a trip or something, put some spare tools in, throw it in the back. Freebies!